ready.
Just plug your nose. Okay, you're blocking your mouth.
Worcestershire sauce.
You're so good. Yes.
Oh my god.
Okay, ready? My turn.
I told you guys I was good at this.
Okay, I just want to sit and watch.
Ready?
That was good.
Thanks. I know.
Delicious. Open up. She takes like the small bites.
What is that?
This is tofu.
Oh,
you're so good. I love tofu.
Yuck.
Honestly, when I first saw that, I thought it was cheesecake.
I know. I thought it was cheesecake too.
Cheesecake. She already ate cheesecake.
Can you like cover the bottom
Wait,
of
should I
it?
do it on
'Cause I
a
know you're
spoon?
cheating.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, we don't have
Oh, that has Worcestershire sauce.
Oh wait, maybe I'll just go like this.
Yeah. Just
Open up.
Open up.
Granola. Oh man. But what? Coconut. Oh, I can't take it.
All right.
We're terrible at
I know, we pick like the easiest stuff.
this. Okay, go.
Open up. You gotta open up wide.
Oh God,
kind of
Chris.
big.
I don't trust you.
Open up.
It's cheesecake.
Cover the bottom.
Wait.
Trust.
She won't be able to taste it if it's hot.
Cherry tomato. What is it? A cherry tomato.
Damn, she got it straight down to the cherry tomato.
Okay, your turn.
No, Rachel's going
Oh.
last.
Here, I got one for you.
Open up.
Well, who got food in my mouth?
Okay, we'll
Can you
swallow.
hurry up?
I'm just gonna pick that.
I don't like the taste of it. Well, you can't spit it out. It's
Yeah.
healthy for you. It's healthy.
It's healthy. You're
Illegal,
welcome.
you're eating healthy.
You're welcome.
Oh God, I'm scared, Lawrence.
Both of them I
I
gave
should
her
have had
one.
something worse for you, but
You gotta cover
that's
that.
still young.
Yeah, the night is still young.
Oh, what is this? Raisin.
Ah.
Rachel's up.
Rachel's up. This is the best one by far.
Oh God.
Good luck.
Hold on, I need my phone.
Okay.
Oh, can I have my
Scared.
phone? Wait.
Oh my
No.
God, I'm scared.
Yes.
Best one.
This is for sure the best
No,
one.
I'm
Okay, go,
scared.
Move your hand. Plug your nose. Can you plug your nose?
Yeah, because I don't want some
No,
air.
you don't plug your nose. Have someone plug
I'll
it
do
for
it.
her.
Wait.
Right there, just go ahead. Spit it out. So what is it? What is it?
Mayonnaise.
Fuck that. Alvin's been so good.